Today is Fiverr Gig Friday. Fiverr Gig Friday is a day where you can leave a comment with your Fiverr username and a quick sales pitch explaining why someone should consider buying your Fiverr gig. I go through those comments, I pick the comments that do the best job at pitching their product, and I purchase a gig from the comment section with my own hard-earned cash. Seriously, pretty awesome, right? I agree. So if y'all remember, about a week ago, I put up a poll on this channel. Basically, I was super excited that the channel had passed 8,000 subscribers, and I went out on a limb and I said, hey, if we can get past 9,000 subscribers by the end of this weekend, what should I spend a celebratory $100 on to celebrate passing 9,000 subscribers? The options were to give it to one of you, buy my girlfriend $100 worth of McDonald's chicken nuggets, donate $100 to charity, Save the Children, or spend $100 on Fiverr gigs and review those gigs on this channel. So I didn't hit the 9,000 subscribers last weekend, but I was so happy to see how everyone was voting on the poll that I decided it'd be really nice to do some nice things for you all anyways. The vast majority of the votes actually came in favor of donating to Save the Children. I was like, wow. This channel has just got some really nice, kind-hearted people in it. I was so happy to see that so many of you voted to give the money to Save the Children that it just made me happy to hear. And I really wanted to take this as an opportunity to point out how important giving to charity can be. You know, we're going through some tough times, and if you have some to spare that you can give, it's a great idea. So I was really happy that you all voted on that, and I did go ahead and donate $100 to Save the Children. The second most popular category that was voted for was to use the $100 to buy Fiverr gigs from you all and review those gigs on this channel. And I was like, yeah, you know, that would be pretty cool too. So that's how this Fiverr Gig Friday was born. So this video is really just an opportunity for you to promote your Fiverr gig in the comment section and practice your ability to pitch your Fiverr gig, your sales pitch. I really hope this video helps you do that and in turn helps you rank your gigs higher in Fiverr search, because if you're putting your gigs in the comment section, you're creating and practicing solid sales pitches, I'm hoping that it helps you improve your ability to pitch on Fiverr, bring some views to your gigs from people who see this video and might be interested. And you know, I'm going to be purchasing one of them. So, you know, getting orders is good for how well your gig ranks on Fiverr search. So I'm hoping we could really hit a number of birds with one stone with this type of video. So if you want to participate, I ask that you do two things. The first, obviously, leave a comment with your Fiverr username. Do not include a link to your Fiverr profile. YouTube flags links that go on this channel. So leave a comment with your Fiverr username, and on the second line, include a short pitch explaining what services you offer on Fiverr and why people should consider ordering those services from you. The second thing you can consider doing is, after you leave your comment, check out some of the other comments that other Fiverr freelancers left. If you think someone did a good job pitching their services in the comments, give them a like to let them know that they did a good job. So in about a week from the date this video goes live, I'll go through all the pitches and the comments you left on the video, and I'll pick one. The one that I pick is the one that I'm going to purchase. So I'm going to purchase that gig. I'm going to order the gig from whoever left the comment, and after the gig is delivered, I'm going to create another video reviewing the final product to give some feedback on, you know, how the experience was and provide any tips that I can to help improve the seller and buyer experience that the people who I'm ordering from are delivering to their clients on Fiverr. I'm hoping that this can be like a real world exercise to help you practice your Fiverr skills, improve your Fiverr skills while making some money along the way. And, you know, the money's coming from me. So I hope this is going to be really helpful. I'm going to be picking these gigs based on two factors, right? The first thing I'm going to be looking for is how good your pitch was, right? Like how effective was your pitch at convincing me to pick the comment, right? That's the big part of this, right? I want you all to spend some time writing a sales pitch that will actually help you sell your Fiverr gig. So that's the first thing I'm going to be looking for. The second thing I'm going to be looking for is how many likes your different comments got, right? So I want this to be a situation where we're all kind of learning from each other, right? I'm only going to be purchasing one gig that I see pitched in the comment section below. So it'd be really cool if we all take this as an opportunity to help each other understand whether or not they've done a good job pitching. And maybe you can even leave a comment giving, you know, other Fiverr sellers who comment some advice on how they might want to improve their pitch, what you thought of their pitch, and, you know, that type of constructive positive feedback. I think that would be really, really helpful. So those are the two things. I'm going to be looking for who does the best job at pitching me their services, and two, I'm going to be focusing on the pitches that got the most likes and engagement, because that's going to be an indication to me that the pitch would be effective on more than just me, other people in the comment section too. And that's it. This kicks off Fiverr Gig Friday, right? So I'm really excited to see the pitches that you guys submit, read through them. I'm sure there's going to be some funny ones. I'm sure there's going to be some ones that could use a little bit of tweaking. And I'm sure there's going to be some ones that do a really good job promoting and pitching your Fiverr services. So check back in a week. In a week, I'll put a community post up letting you know which comment I selected. And then at that point, I'll order the Fiverr gig and get started on the process of completing the Fiverr order with the seller that was chosen. And after the gig is delivered, I'll put up a video talking about what that experience was like, how it might improve, and the quality of work, right? So it'll be a really great opportunity for whoever is the gig that gets chosen to showcase their work and also look for areas to improve. So until next time, thank you for watching. Cheers.